Hello guys, let's talk today about how to format the VIOFO Dashcam SD card, okay? Mine is already recording here, but let's say yours it's not, or for some reason you need to format it. You just need to stop recording first, so you need to press the button here to stop recording. And after that you can have access to the menu, right? So let me just press here to stop recording. Here we go. And then I press here to have access to the menu. And with this button, I'm going down until I find the menu to format the SD card, right? Just keep pushing down. There's a lot of menus until you get there. And here we go. And then you hit OK. This button is for OK. And again, you go down to select OK and press this button again.
Memory card format successful.
Okay, so hear the message. Click here to come back to the main screen.
Recording started.
And then it's working again and the record is started again. Okay, so it's pretty easy to format the SD card. You just need to follow the steps, right? And also here it's important to see that I'm using an SD card connected here to this port, and you need to use a recommended SD card. If you're using any SD card, you can have issues, right? Let's say, for example, it's a non-branded SD card or it's not in the recommended list, you can have issues, right? So make sure you visit the VIOFO website to choose the correct one, right? Even sometimes a Samsung SD card, it doesn't work well. You need to work with VIOFO's SD card, or sometimes SanDisk SD card, the specific one, SanDisk Extreme, for example. So there's a list for that. So make sure you have the correct card and you can have your camera working fine, all right? Okay guys, so that's all for today. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up and your comments, and I see you in the next one.